Hi everyone, here we've got REALME Narzo 10 and let me share with you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's tap on fingerprint face and password. As you can see here we've got biometrics section, and on the very first position we've got add fingerprint, so simply tap on it. Here we've got the caution, the warning that if you will forget your lock screen password, which we'll have to add in the next step, and for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will be unable to unlock your phone and you will have to recover your phone data. You will be unable to recover your phone data because you will have to go through whole hard reset operation, which is irreversible and which will wipe actually all the data, all personal data, and so on and so on. So just tap on continue and make sure that you will remember this lock screen. So here you can enter the password if you want, but you can also use a different password type just up here. And as you can see, you can choose the pattern 4-digit password, 4 to 16-digit password with 4 to 16 alphanumeric characters, and you can get back to actually the password. So I will pick the pattern, just tap on the option like to use. Let's draw it, redraw it. And as you can see right now we can add our fingerprint. Here we've got the preview, the instructions where the sensor is located. So let me put my finger on it. And as you can see right now I have to do it multiple times in order to add my fingerprint fully. Okay, it's quite easy as you can see. All you have to do right now is simply tap on continue, and here we have to enroll our finger in order to add all of the edges of it, of course for better recognition. Okay, let's tap on continue simply, and as you can see we are finished. Here we've got the fingerprint menu. The fingerprint we just added is right here. We can remove it by tapping on the trash bin icon or rename it just by tapping on it. So let me for example rename it as my index finger. Tap on save. As you can see it immediately changes. Under it we've got the option to add another fingerprint, and here we can decide for what we want to use our fingerprint for. So after tapping on it we can set it as a screen unlock, app lock, or private save, but it's up to you. I would like to leave it like this. So actually right now we can go back and check if it is working. So let me lock the device and let me put my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the sensor works, so we just successfully added our fingerprint to it. What's more, you will be able to unlock your device second way using the pattern, pin, or password, whatever you choose. So just slide it, and here we can draw the pattern. So actually that's all. This is how to add a fingerprint to your REALME Narzo 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.